In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data in Zoho Analytics. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking to refresh your skills, this guide will walk you through the process one step at a time, ensuring you can seamlessly incorporate your data into Zoho Analytics for enhanced insights and reporting. Let's start at your Zoho Analytics dashboard. As soon as you're logged in, direct your attention to the menu on the left side. This menu will serve as your starting point for accessing various features and functions within Zoho Analytics. Here, you'll want to click on the option labeled Data. Getting to know your way around this section will be particularly useful, as it's where you'll begin the data importing process. Once you have clicked on Data, you'll find the option to Create New Tables. Clicking on this takes your import process to the next stage. Within this area, you're going to look for and select New Table or Import Data. This will initiate the process of bringing external data into your Zoho Analytics workspace. Now comes the part where you select the file you want to import. You'll need to determine what type of file you are dealing with, which could be an Excel spreadsheet, a CSV file, or another format compatible with Zoho Analytics. Make sure that the file you select is ready and correctly formatted for import, as this step is fundamental to ensuring a smooth data transfer. After selecting your file, the next task is to type in a table name. It's helpful to choose a clear, descriptive name that will allow you to easily identify this dataset among others in your workspace later on. This might seem trivial, but organized table names can save you significant time and energy in the future. The next step involves choosing the file location of the data you want to upload. Carefully navigate through your directories to select the correct file. It's important that this is the same file you verified and prepared in the earlier step, ensuring consistency and accuracy of data. After you've chosen your file, simply click on Next. You might have to do this twice, as Zoho may require additional confirmation or information before proceeding to the next stage. This extra step ensures that everything is correctly set up and minimizes the risk of errors during the import. Finally, click on Create. This prompts Zoho Analytics to finalize the import process. If everything goes as planned, you'll soon see a screen indicating that the file was uploaded successfully. This confirmation is your assurance that the data is now part of your Zoho Analytics environment and ready for analysis. As a last step, Zoho Analytics will ask if you want to auto-generate reports based on the newly imported data. This feature can save time by offering initial insights and report structures that you can further customize to fit your analytic needs. You now have all the tools you need to effectively manage and analyze your data within Zoho Analytics. Enjoy exploring and gaining insights from your data.